Show first non-blank value in lists. Here we'll show first and last non-blank. Non-blank. There may be some tricks in this little video thingy-majig we're doing here. Gotta be careful. There might be some non-hidden stuff in here. We have to check. We have to verify that. Let me show you how. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, show first non-blank values in a list. How do we go about doing this? I'm going to show you 4 different examples. I'm going to read the narrative because a lot of this stuff might be familiar. Then again, it might not. Show first non-blank value in lists. Here, index, lists, match, false is blank. Where the name range is, here's our name range. Pre-2019 Excel requires Control-Shift-Enter for those of you who have not upgraded. I'm using Excel 2021, the actual software. I do not like Excel Online. I don't like Office 365. Your choice. Talking points, Excel does not provide a direct method to find the first non-blank cell, which is what we want to do. A wildcard in VLOOKUP works, but only for text, not for numbers. Therefore, we have to go to the drawing board and come up with a solution. Here it is. To do this, we use nesting formulas. What's a nesting formula? It's all this stuff. It's within index, we have match, we have false is blank. This is nested into match, which is nested into index. Those are nested functions. The isBlank function checks whether a cell in the list, B5 to B12, is blank and returns true false. That appears as follows. We'll get to that in a second. A blank cell is represented by false. Match then searches the list for false because why? Because look here, false. Match looks for false and then returns the position, in this case 2, of the first match discovered. Here's the formula. Coffee is not a blank. Therefore, it is true, but with the false, we have to reverse it, and 2 falses equal positive. Match then searches the list for false and returns the position, in this case 2. Then, here's the formula, index B2, B12 to 0. If we shrink all this stuff, it's going to go index list, that's B5, B12, and then it would look like 2. Match is going to look at 2, and then right here, this last number, that's for exact match. We'll get to that in a second. The second example, first character is greater than 0. That's going to be over here. See this greater than 0? Add the when function to the formula to get the first character. Number 1. If you add the isNumber function to the formula and then change the language to true rather than false, you get the first number in the list. In other words, this 999. Here we go. Here is the first example. Notice the brackets, Control-Shift-Enter. I don't need them. They're just there for you. Control-Shift-Enter will add those as soon as you hit Control-Shift-Enter. Be sure to highlight your entire range that you want to put the Control-Shift-Enter. Otherwise, you have to do it individually. Here we go. Index list match. False is blank. Starting right to left is blank. Test if cell is blank. True or false. The list. Going to look at this list. Then what happens? False. The logical value false. In other words, false is going to say is any cells in 277 blank. And if they're not, they're false. Match is going to say, well, show me. We need to find the lookup value, which is going to be, we're looking for false. The lookup array is going to be is blank. And the match type, if it's not recognized here, lookup value, lookup array, and match type is 0. I stand corrected. I said that's for an exact match. No, it is for, we're looking for an exact match. I reversed what I just said. So here, the match is going to look up value, which is going to be false. We hard code that in. The lookup array is just this is blank. Then we have our match type. Okay, before we dive any further, let's look at ISBLANK value. That's it. It's a single argument, F9. So we have ISBLANK 0 coffee, 0 eggs, bacon, 0099. What's that telling us? Well, it said ISBLANK, it's going to turn any of these blanks into 0, and then it's just going to show us whatever is not blank. False is going to take these zeros, and it's going to say, hit escape, go to ISBLANK, go to false, go here, ISBLANK. I don't know if this will work. F9. You remember what everything looked like? ISBLANK is going to be true. Coffee is not blank, so that's false. True, false, 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 true, false. From there, we're looking for the first false. Show first non-blank value in list. Match is going to look at this, and it's going to find the first false. That indicates the first non-blank value. It's just going to say number 2. What does index do? Index is just going to say, all right, row number 2 or cell number 2. It's generally row number 2. Index is just going to say coffee. It's just a matter of going right to left and putting the pieces together. When somebody hands this off to you and you don't have this help, just think of what you're going to do. Always try to remember starting from right to left and thinking, okay, this thing's blank. Show first non-blank value in list. You're going to have to remember ISBLANK, and then you need to reverse it. Then you're going to have to remember what match does, then what index does. Be sure to check out our extensive courses, which include Excel data and text manipulation for advanced users, beginners, intermediate. We also have this great essentials, the A to Z for advanced users, the comprehensive beginner level 1 and 2. Then we have our advanced formulas, strictly formulas, great set of courses, which we have a beginner level 1 and beginner level 2, this intermediate level, and we have this advanced level. Click on any of the links. There's a short video that explains everything about the course. Check it out. The next, what are we doing here? This is the same exact format, but it's reference cells. All we did is we put B12 instead of the name range. Everything else is copacetic. Here's number 3. We put in len. Why? Because we're trying to find the first character, the first letter in this case. The only change is we're looking at this. Len is going to read this. As soon as it finds any particular text, it's going to say greater than 0. Because here in the first cell, you're going to get 0 because there's nothing there. And then coffee, it's going to say, what, 2, 4, it's going to give us 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. It's going to look at this as list as a 6, and then it's go, that's true. So go in here, text, F9, and it's going 0, coffee, 0, 0, 0. All right, that's fine. That's exactly how it looks up here in ISBLANK. So then the next question is, find the true. Let's see here, escape. Anytime you hit F9, you need to clear it out. Hit this here, and let's see if we get anything. F9. We're asking if it's greater than 0. What's the criteria we're looking for? Show first non-blank. In this case, show add first character greater than 0. Add the len function to the formula to get the first character. Where's the first true? Number 2. This true says, show me the first true. Here's your first true. Match goes, well, where's the first true? Row 2. Then index is going to go, thank you, Match, for passing this on to me. Row 2. Answer is coffee. Last is number. Is list 277 a number? Let's look. All we're going to do is look at this layout here. Is number to list? Well, we know the list. We know it's going to be what we've seen before. What we want to do, as soon as we find a number, give me a true. So highlight this, hit F9. What happens? No number, no number, no number, no number, no number, no number, number. True. So the first true, match is going to go, show me the first true. And that is Well, it's the 999, but it doesn't care about the 999. It's all it wants to do is pass on to indexes. Look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's row 9. To prove that, just go here. Row number, F9 is, I don't know, is that 8 or 9? 8. I didn't count. I just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted 9, but I was just in a hurry. Index just goes, all right, show me number 8. It's going to look at list 277, and it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 is 999. That's it. It's just a matter of moving slow, turtle speed, because you can't rush the logic. You have to just think about it. I am providing all of these examples because it's a starting point. Brad Williams, Excel Primed, checking out.